Okay, we're going to be taking a look at Popplet today. Popplet is kind of like a mind mapping app to help you organize some of your ideas, and it can be a presentation tool. You can use it for a lot of different ways in the classroom. You can also use it for notes to organize your thoughts. But we're going to navigate to popplet.com, and then it's going to ask you to log in. You may have to create an account if you don't already have one. I already have one, and I'm going to go ahead and create or log in here. So I already have a Popplet up here, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete that real quick. But over here on the side, there comes with some examples, and you can kind of go through that and see what other people are doing in regards to creating Popplets. So here's one. It's just facts about Earth, and maybe you had a presentation that you had to give over some things that you learned about the Earth. So there's a picture of the Earth, and then there's some facts around here. So I'm going to show you how to create something like this using Popplet. So what you're going to do first is, after you log in, you're going to go to Make New Popplet, and you're going to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Cats, and I'm going to make it blue, and it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to say make it so. And so now this is my screen, and it's blue. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to double click, and you're going to create a Popplet. So there's options here for what can be put in this white area. This changes the color, so maybe you want to keep it blue or switch to a different color. Right, I like the pink. This is for words. This is for drawings. If you have drawing things, if you have like if you're using an iPad. And then this one is for uploading things. So if you have perhaps pictures on your computer, this is an image. This is adding from Vimeo. I'm gonna look up cat, and maybe I can find a video of a cat that I'm gonna add right here in the middle. So, here's a cat, and I'm just gonna drag it on in. And this is how it begins. So this is my cat, and these dots here connect to other ideas. This expands it, so maybe I want it really, really big because I want people to see that. But this is going to connect to another Popplet and create another idea. So maybe this is going to be a fact about cats. Cats are felines, period. Okay. And then I can connect another idea to that, or I can connect another idea to the Popplet. People say cats have 9 lives, and so on and so on and so on. So the other thing about these is that you can drag them in different areas and rearrange them. You have kind of an option for how you want this to go. Whoa, I did that again. Didn't mean to. And so this is what it would look like full screen. If you go up here to this little cog, you can save it. You can edit it in some way, undo it, copy it. You can order this. So we have a lot of different options in here. You can there's a presentation mode and a presentation mode 2. One, it's more like a Prezi, where this is presentation mode 2, where you basically add frames where you want to start the presentation. So maybe you want to start this presentation right here, and then you want to move to, this next part, and then you want to move to that third part right here. And so this would be the presentation. And if you were to present it, you would, go to those next pieces, just like that. And then for the next presentation part, there is this presentation mode where you record it. So you wouldn't have to have an extension of the Screencastify, Screencast-O-Matic, Loom, whatever. It's actually built in to Popplet to record your presentation. And so you could just record it here and then hit present. When you are ready, you can also print these. You can export them as a PDF, as a JPEG, or as a PNG file. And that is what you would do with a Popplet. They're pretty simple to make, and there's a lot you can do with them. Here's one on cars, and again, all you need to do is collect those pictures from whatever sources that you have and save them on your drive, and then you can upload them. And it's pretty easy, and